Just be prepared for multiple situations and don't overcomplicate it, right? We're hammering home the idea of buying the dip, buy the flash crash, buy when price goes down, buy on red days, buy when there's blood in the street, right? So if the price goes down and you have stable coins, or you have money to put into the market and you're being financially responsible, and obviously not financial advice, but if the market goes down, it's a good time to buy. If we chop sideways, it's probably a good time to continue to accumulate, maybe dollar cost average, maybe value invest. And if we go up, that's the time to sell and take profits. You don't have to. People freak out when you talk about selling, right? Like you're bearish on crypto if you sell crypto, and that's not the case at all. We want to take profits, and you don't have to sell everything, right? You can sell 3% of your holdings. You can sell 5% of your portfolio with the intent to buy back, or you can convert, take profits by taking a loan out against it. There's a ton of ways to benefit regardless of which direction the market goes in. So if you're getting anxious about the market, just simplify it, right? Just simplify it and have a plan regardless of what happens in terms of price action, up, down, or sideways.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.